Hello guys, happy Friday. So today we are going to be adding money again, but we're going to be solving word problems today. Okay, so I'm going to look at some word problems. I'm going to show you how they should be answered, and then you're going to have a go at some similar ones. Okay, there's two strategies really that we've looked at for adding money yesterday: the partitioning method or the column method. You can use both either today. Okay, they'll both work. Yeah, so let's see how we get on. Okay, so I'm going to turn my screen around, then I'll show you these word problems, then you're going to have a go at some similar word problems. Okay, so you've got three items here. Okay, you've got a football, you've got an American football, and you've got a tennis ball. Okay, the football costs £3.15. Okay, we'll say it's a rugby ball. The rugby ball, the American football, the rugby ball costs £3.15. And the tennis ball costs £1.45. Okay, so the first word problem is the costs the same as the Okay, so we need to find out which two cost the same. Well, this is quite easy, isn't it? The football and the rugby ball both cost £3.15. Okay, so the football, this is so hard to write. Okay, the football costs the same as the rugby ball. Okay, and I'm just going to write rugby. Okay, the football costs the same as the rugby ball. Okay, so the next one, Tom has to pay to buy two tennis balls. Okay, so he wants two tennis balls. How much does he have to pay? Well, one tennis ball is £1.45, but he wants two. So we need to do £1.45 add £1.45. Okay, so we're doubling it, aren't we? Okay, so I'll make sure my numbers are lined up. Okay, I'm going to add in. I've got my hundredths. I've got my tenths. And I've got my ones. Okay, so 5 add 5, draw my parallel lines. Okay, 5 add 5, I know is 10. Okay, 4 tens add 4 tenths are 8 tenths, add another tenth, 9 tenths. Okay, decimal point, £1 add £1, £2, so £2.90. Okay, I could have partitioned that as well. I've done the column method for that one. Okay, so Tom has to pay £2.90 to buy two tennis balls. Okay, the and the cost £4.60. Okay, so I'm going to do some trial and error this time. Now you might be able to work this out in your head. Okay, but I need to make them add up to £4.60. Okay, so I'm just going to trial and I'm going to estimate and I'm just going to rule some out. But if I add the football and the rugby ball, well, if I add 3 and 3 in the pounds, that's £6, so it can't be that. Okay, and I already know what two tennis balls are. They're £2.90. Okay, so through trial and error, I know it can't be the football ball and the rugby ball because their pounds are way over £4.60 without the pence. Okay, I know it can't be the tennis balls. I can't have two tennis balls. It's £2.90. So I'm going to try the rugby ball and the tennis ball. Okay, so £3.15 add £1.45. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm going to do this one the partitioning way. So £3 add £1 equals £4. And then 15p add 45p, 45p add 15p. Equals 60p. Okay, so I'll put that back together, £4.60. Perfect, that's what I was trying to find, wasn't it? So I know the rugby ball and the tennis ball cost £4.60. Okay, and I'm just going to write rugby and tennis. Okay, rugby ball and tennis ball costs £4.60. Now, some of you are going to be screaming at the screen saying, well, it could have been the football as well, because the football ball and the rugby ball are the same. So you could have also had football ball and tennis ball. Okay, we only need to find one. Now, the next one, the total cost of all three items is how much? Well, I know the rugby ball and the tennis ball cost £4.60. Okay, so I've got £4.60. For two of the items, okay, the rugby ball and the tennis ball. And now I need to add the football, £3.15. Okay, I'm going to be adding £3.15. Do my parallel lines. Okay, so in the hundredth, 0 add 5 is 5. In the tenths, 6 add 1, 7. Decimal point, add more pounds, £7.75. Okay, so the total cost of all three items is £7.75. Okay, and the last one, Tom needs how many pound coins, how many 10p coins, and how many 5p coins to buy all three items? Well, to get £7, he needs 7 £1. To get 70p, he needs 7 10p's. And to get 5p, he needs 1 5p coin. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to have some word problems to solve. Okay, read them carefully, see what you're trying to do for each one, and you can use either the partitioning method or column addition to solve the problems. Okay, it might be worth doing it on a piece of paper and just writing the words in. Okay, because it'll be a lot easier for writing down. You can see it was quite hard for me to write this all down on the computer. Okay, so if you want to work it out on a piece of paper or a whiteboard or something, and then you can just write your answers in. Okay.